Hello little artists, I'm Mariana Olson and today we're drawing a girl skating. Are you ready? Let's do this!
Okay, we're gonna need paper, something to color with. I'm using markers and something to draw with. I will use a black marker that you can change for a pencil.
Okay little artists, we are gonna start here on the top of the paper, not quite in the center, a little bit up, and we're gonna do first a circle. So I'm gonna start pushing the marker against the paper so I can go as straight as possible. And this circle is gonna be the head. We're gonna go with a line across the circle and we're gonna start here kind of halfway and we're gonna go up a little. So it's gonna look like this. It's a curved line. And we're gonna do this line double, leaving a space in between them like this. So this is gonna be the hat. And on top of here, we're gonna do a half a circle for the top of the hat. Now let's draw the eyes, and we are gonna start with two oval shapes a little bit close to the right side. So I'm gonna leave a little bit of a space and I'm going to do one oval. Now I'm gonna leave a space and we're gonna do another one. And we can color these ovals with black. In between them, we're gonna do a backwards letter C for the nose. And to finish the face, we're gonna do a little smile underneath. Next, we're gonna do the hair, and the hair is gonna cross this line in the circle, and that's okay because we're gonna color the hair after with black. So we're gonna go across, and then outside the circle, I'm gonna do another line, and now I'm gonna join them with a little bit of a curve. So if you see, my line went just barely underneath the circle or across the circle, and then we close it. And this part we're gonna color with black. Next, I'm gonna do a line that goes underneath the mouth and it's gonna go down. So this is gonna be part of her dress, and I'm going down. Now in between the hair and this line, we're gonna do 1 and 2 letter U's for the collar of her dress. Now let's do a hand that goes out. From this point or this corner, I'm gonna go up. Now I wanna leave a space and I wanna do that line double. And we're gonna close up here. Now in the middle of this line we did here, we're gonna go in the middle and we're gonna do a curved line that goes out to the left. And now I'm gonna join this line with this one with a curved line, and it's gonna look like this. I'm gonna go curve, and that's gonna make it look like her dress or her coat is out opening, okay? Now let's do a line that goes in between these two letter U's we did, and it's just gonna cross down. And we're gonna put some buttons doing circles. You can do circles all the way down or just 3 buttons just like me, just here. Now let's do the other arm. It's gonna look like this one, and we're gonna go here from this corner out. Then we leave a space and we do another one and we cross down. Now let's do mittens, and we're gonna do 1 letter U and another one. This one is a little bigger. Let's repeat those steps here. We're gonna do 1 and a bigger one. And you can do a little bit more hair just like this in behind here. You can just do a little line and we can color this kind of like triangle shape with black, and that will make it look like she also has hair in behind her head. Next, we're gonna do the legs. So we're gonna start here from this line and in the middle of this one. So in the middle of this line here, we're gonna do a line that goes down. And from this line, we're gonna do another one. And I'm leaving a little space here that we're gonna cross. Now let's go down to do the shoe. So I'm gonna continue with this line 1, and this one is short. And now we join them with a curve and join here. And for the bottom, to make it look like a skate, we're just gonna do 1 and 2 lines. I'm leaving a space before I get at the end. And across, I'm gonna do kind of like a line that goes past the end of the shoe, and I'm gonna do this line double. And I'm taking this line with the marker. Now let's do the other leg, and this leg is gonna be up, like she just standing in this one. So I'm gonna start here, leaving a space, doing one line. Now I wanna leave a space and wanna do another one. Now let's do this shoe easy by doing a letter U. And here I'm just gonna cross. Now let's do the same idea. I'm gonna do two lines, 1 and 2. This line is before I get to the end of the shoe. And I'm just gonna do one more that past the end of the shoe, doing this line thicker with the marker. And there, that's it. We finished this girl that is skating. And now my favorite part is coming. Let's color. Okay, little artists, we are done. This is how my girl turned out. Remember, you can change any of these colors. You can also make it like look like a boy if you change the colors of the hat. And instead of putting the hair like this, you can add inside an ear and just put a little bit of hair sticking out of the hat. In the bottom, we put a little bit of blue, kind of like copying the shape that she is. So the bigger circle is for kind of like the body, and the smaller circle was for the leg that is sticking out. And other things that I added was a little bit of color for the cheeks and eyebrows. At the end, I wait until this peach color was a little bit dry, and then I add the eyebrows on the top. So, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss lessons step by step and easy like this one. See you next time!